Massachusetts state-to-state moving companies. At A1 Auto Transport, we understand that your move is a very important event. That's why we take the time to meet with you and learn about your individual needs so that we can create a customized moving plan just for you. Our team of professional movers provides comprehensive services tailored to our Massachusetts customers, including packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, and even storage solutions. It is always so much work and frustration. It always seems like your life becomes consumed by chaos, packing tape, and bubble wrap. First, you have to pack everything in boxes and make sure that it is protected from breaking. With our experienced team of reliable movers, you can rest assured that your possessions will be safe and secure throughout the entire moving process. We're proud to offer competitive rates and flexible scheduling so that your move is as stress-free as possible, no matter how far or how demanding the task. Let us help make your move in Massachusetts a smooth and pleasant one. Contact A1 Auto Transport today. 1-888-230-9116